Did you know that spirulina is one of the world's most popular supplements? In fact, spirulina restores a better appearance and better health to our skin, strengthening our nails and hair because it contains antioxidants that delay aging. Certainly known to all, spirulina has a long list of benefits to cover our body's needs. This is why the World Health Organization and the United Nations recommend including it in our diet as a dietary supplement. Likewise, NASA has included spirulina in the diet of its astronauts during their space missions, which gives us an idea of its nutritional value. This food is also generally consumed by athletes during high-level competitions. It helps reduce the recovery period and strengthen the immune defenses. The amazing properties of spirulina make it a kind of superfood of the future. So try to incorporate it into your daily diet and allow your body to benefit from its many virtues. So, what is spirulina? Spirulina is a greenish-blue alga that has a spiral shape. However, some studies believe that it is not an alga but rather a type of living organism. What really interests us is that spirulina contains proteins that are much more digestible than those found in beef, for example. It also contains a wide variety of benefits for our bodies. Regarding its vitamin composition, spirulina contains vitamin A, B1, B2, B5, B6, folic acid and vitamins E and H, as well as vitamin B12. It also stands out for its vitamin B12 content. Spirulina has powers that have extraordinary effects on health and also a considerable impact on our diet. According to specialists, spirulina was even part of some civilizations' daily meals, such as the Incas and the Aztecs. The slimming power of spirulina. When you consume it, you immediately feel its effect on your appetite. It is why this natural product is highly recommended for people looking to lose weight. Thanks to its satiating effect, it will be much easier to reduce the amount of food at each meal, as well as the frequency between meals. The process of losing weight then becomes more effortless, without hunger and anxiety sabotaging our efforts. Spirulina has a high content of phenylalanine, an amino acid that helps reduce the sensation of appetite. Spirulina is also very rich in iodine, a very effective component in stimulating the thyroid gland. It accelerates and then promotes our metabolism, which allows much faster processing of fat in our body. Spirulina to fight against aging. Spirulina contains antioxidants that help delay the effects of aging. This positive aspect is particularly felt in the skin and hair. This food is a bulwark against free radicals, substances that accelerate the aging process and also damage our cells and tissues. Free radicals are produced by our bodies when we have a poor diet and a sedentary lifestyle. How to consume spirulina? Spirulina can be consumed in capsules, extracts, or powder form. You can also choose compact pills. You can easily get them in a multitude of places. In stores, pharmacies, or even on the internet, since many online stores now offer this product. We advise you to sprinkle your salads with spirulina. How much to consume? According to specialists, children should consume 3 to 5 grams of spirulina per day. Regarding adults, they can consume 5 to 10 grams of spirulina. However, consuming more spirulina does not mean that you will lose more weight. Our body only needs to absorb a specific dose daily. Therefore, it is essential to stick to the prescribed doses and the right amount for your body. And believe us, the results will be amazing. Did you like the video? Then subscribe to our channel to get more of our content in the future. Like and share it with your friends if you think you get value from it. And stay safe.